In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp text in Canva. By the end, you'll create that eye-catching effect where your text appears to bend around a shape or logo using only Canva's built-in tools. First, head to Canva's home and click Create to start a new design. Pick a size that matches your project, like a social post or a custom dimension. Starting with the right canvas size helps you see proportions clearly and saves time later. Next, open the text panel and add the text you want. Type your headline or phrase, then choose a font that's bold enough to show the effect. Increase the font size so it overlaps the area where the warp illusion will happen. If your lines feel cramped, adjust letter spacing and line height to give the effect some breathing room. You're building a layout that the shape will interact with, so keep the text readable and centered in the area you plan to work on. Now, go to Elements. Search for or browse to find a logo or shape that fits your concept. This will be the object your text appears to curve around. Add it to the canvas and scale it to the size you want. Position it near or partially over your text where you want the interaction to happen. Click the logo and move it behind the text. Use the position controls to send it backward so the text sits on top. This layering matters. The logo behind establishes the background silhouette, and the text stays visible for now. Align the logo and the text until their overlap looks intentional. Duplicate the logo so you have a second identical copy. Place this copy exactly on top of the original. One logo will remain behind the text. The new one will go in front to create the wrap illusion. Make sure both copies are perfectly aligned so edges don't drift. With the front copy selected, crop it so only the section that should appear in front of the text remains. Drag the crop handles to isolate just the area that overlaps the text. When you confirm the crop, that trimmed front piece will sit above the text, visually cutting into it. This sandwiches your text between the cropped front piece and the full logo in the back, creating a convincing wrap effect. Finish by nudging the text, tweaking font size, and refining spacing until the curve looks smooth and intentional. That's it. Your text now looks naturally warped around the logo, all done right inside Canva.